Alrighty, what we have today is a leaking schrader core. And what I'm using to repair the leak is my little yellow jacket without the service port on it, but if y'all can see there, y'all can see it blowing out, dripping liquid. Without this tool though, the person before me thought they could fix this problem by just tightening down on the service cap. That's why this system leaked down. This is my first YouTube video. Shout out to Steve Lab Tavern, all the other guys on here, Steven Ryder. But the person before me, like I said, thought they could fix this problem by just tightening up on the cap. Don't have this tool, this is the problem you have. Hopefully I'm recording this part. All it is, 30-cent part, causing all these leaks. The 30-cent part will cause you hundreds of dollars in Freon, which is really a simple fix if you had the right tool to use to replace it. Trying to record with a cell phone, so I don't know if you're getting all this or not. Do a little schrader core. Apply a little bit of pressure while you're pushing it in against the system pressure. Makes it work a lot better. Just like that, problem fixed. Now I have two different types of yellow jackets that I use. This one has a little service port for when you want to remove the schrader cores while you're charging the system. And this one is without this same little service cap. But as you can see, it's no longer leaking. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back and log underneath these caps here, then adjust my charge using the superheat, using my super cool slide rules. So right now we have about just in. We have around by a little over 65 pounds of pressure. So, alright fellas, this is my first YouTube video. I thought I'd show this little easy one. Yesterday I did a compressor change out. I wish I would have got footage of that. But I got another one coming up. Have a great one, guys.